Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of solution series in which we discuss about the types of solution. So there are generally three types of solutions. The first type is a liquid solution. Second is your solid solution. And third is your gaseous solution. So liquid solutions, we will discuss in details what is liquid solutions are. So liquid solutions are those in which solvent is liquid. As the name suggests, liquid solution, in which the solvent is liquid, in which solvent is solid, and in the third type, that is your gaseous solution, in which the solvent is gaseous. Now you will ask, and what is about solute in this? So solute may be, in this liquid solution, solute may be liquid, solid and gas, solid, liquid and gas, and again gas, solid and liquid. So one by one we will discuss in detail what about liquid solution. So solvents are, as I discussed above, solvents are liquid, 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 and solute are, it may be solid, it may be liquid, and it may be gaseous also. Now we'll see the examples of each. Now this is solid and liquid. You know what? This is present in a larger amount and this is present in a lesser amount. So we'll think about the examples. Solid and liquid. You know what? This is sugar solution are the example of solid and liquid solution. And we can also add so many, that is salt solution are also the example of solid and liquid solution. Sugar and salt, that is basically the solute which is present in a lesser quantity as compared to the liquid, that is water. Now we can see that is liquid in liquid. So this liquid, if we take an example of ethanol dissolved in water. Dissolved in water. So ethanol is also a liquid and water is also a liquid, but as compared to this, ethanol is present in a lesser quantity as compared to water. So this is a liquid in liquid solution. Now we'll talk about the last thing, that is gas and liquid solution. So gases is, we can take an example, that is oxygen gas dissolved in water. As you all know, aquatic species जो भी होती हैं, जो वाटर में रहती हैं, वो कैसे सर्वाइव करती हैं? उसमें ऑक्सीजन गैस ही डिसॉल्व रहता है वाटर में.